We're talking about the traffic advisories that are in place as a result of that conference that's taking place in Greater Noida. The Noida Traffic Police has issued a traffic advisory for today in the wake of Prime Minister Narendra Modi, who's going to be inaugurating that conference. Anushka is with us on the broadcast. Anushka Garg joining us. Anushka, break it down for our viewers. There are certain key diversions that have been put in place as a result of the major Semicon India 2024. So great news that this conference is happening, but bad news for travellers coming into Noida at least.
Well, certainly the Prime Minister is set to inaugurate the Global Semicon 2024 event in Greater Noida today, and keeping that in mind, the high-profile visit is set to create a lot of traffic disruptions, and because of that, the Noida Traffic Police had, directed people to use alternative routes instead of the main routes that they used to travel via Noida to Delhi or Greater Noida. The key diversions that were made in place were from Chilla to Greater Noida, the traffic will be diverted to Sector 14A flyover. From DND, the traffic will be diverted to Sector 16, Rajnigandha Chowk. From Kalindi Kunj border to Greater Noida, the traffic will be diverted to Sector 37, and from Noida to Zevar Toll, that is the traffic that is coming from Agra to Noida, will be redirected to Zevar Toll near the Sopta underpass. Also from Pari Chowk to Greater Noida West, the vehicles will take Surajpur route, and Surajpur to Sector 130, the traffic will be diverted to Sector 130. A lot of traffic disruptions coupled with the rains is obviously going to create a lot of problems for the people who are commuting via this route, and because of that, certain traffic alternatives have been given by the Noida Traffic Police. Also, the people who are travelling from Greater Noida to Noida today are said to somehow experience some traffic related issues because of the rains and the traffic diversions that were made by the Traffic Police, keeping in mind the high profile visit of Prime Minister to the Semicon event 2024 near the Greater Noida India Expo Mall that is set to happen around 10:30. The Prime Minister will be there to inaugurate the event. It is a 3-day long event, and because of that, certain traffic disruptions were made today for the public.